In this brief guide, we will demonstrate the procedure for resetting Google Chrome settings on your Android device. Resetting the settings can be an effective solution to address issues such as slow performance or difficulties in loading web pages. First, open Phone Settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Select Google Chrome from the list. Scroll down slightly and tap on Storage. You will observe two crucial options: Clear Cache and Clear Data. Begin by tapping Clear Cache. Subsequently, tap Clear Data. A prompt will appear, cautioning you that clearing data will eliminate all app data, encompassing files, settings, accounts, and databases associated with Google Chrome. It is imperative to comprehend that this action will restore Chrome to its default state. Tap OK to affirm your decision. By following these steps, you have successfully reset Google Chrome settings on your Android device.